First of all, green beans and soybean were weighed about 250 gram and 50 gram.
First, hold the V-con mixer carefully and make sure the shaft is installed correctly into the solid handling bench. Second, screw the base V-con mixer to the bench. Reminder, make sure the screws were tightly screwed into the bench.
Next, you have to unscrew and remove the lids to allow beans to be poured into a V-con mixer.
Pour the material slowly and carefully into both sides of V-con mixer.
Before begin the process, secure the screws on the lid and make sure the machine is running at the low speed. After 20 minutes, samples were taken out from V-con mixer.
So now I will show you how to remove V-con mixers. First, loosen and pull out the connecting screw between the V-con mixers and the solid handling bench. Second, pull out the V-con mixer carefully.
Samples that taken out were weighed, and after that, beans were separated into different beakers. And that's all from our group. Thanks for watching.